Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Shukla. I am from Shivajra S. Jonle College of Pharmacy. Currently, I am pursuing B Pharmacy. Today, I am making this video under the guidance of DRX Suvidha Kabadi Ma'am, Assistant Professor in Shivajra S. Jonle College of Pharmacy. Topic: Vitiligo treatment by Bakuchi oil. Abstract, Introduction, Classification, Etiology, Epidemiology, Pathophysiology, Treatment, Bakuchi oil, and Reference. Keywords: Vitiligo, melanocytes, autoimmune disease, wood lamp, diagnosis, and Bakuchi lamp. Introduction to vitiligo. Vitiligo is characterized by the emergence of the white patches on the skin due to the loss of pigmentation caused by melanocyte destruction. These patches can appear anywhere of the body and affect the individual of all ages, races, and gender. It is crucial to recognize that vitiligo is not merely a cosmetic concern. It significantly impacts the psychological well-being of the affects. The contrast is especially notable in the individual with the darker skin, where the depigmentation area are more appearable, while the precise cause of vitiligo remain exclusive. Recent research indicate that it is classified as an autoimmune disease influenced by genetic and environmental factor. Classification of vitiligo. Vitiligo can be classified into the segmental, non-segmental, and mixed type. Etiology of vitiligo. The exact cause of vitiligo is still unknown and it's still under the investigation. It is commonly linked with the various autoimmune diseases. Studies involve families and twins suggested the significant genetic components and including genes related to the melanin production, autoantibody regulation, and responses to the oxidation on stress. Epidemiology. As vitiligo make white patches on the skin, there are three layers of skin: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Pathophysiology. Vitiligo is recognized as a multifractional polygenic condition with a complex underlying pathology. It involves both genetic and non-genetic factors. Though the precise cause of remain exclusive despite the various proposed theory. Several theories explain the mechanism behind melanocytes destruction. The neural hypothesis suggests that the neurochemical mediator may harm melanocytes and reduce melanin production. These oxidant theories post the byproduct of the melanin synthesis can damage melanocytes. There are different methods to identify the vitiligo. Wood lamp. Identify the also vitiligo. Known as wood light. This method is given by American physicist Robert Wood in the year 1903. The wood lamp is a source of long ultraviolet and can be used to detect the fluorescence of the hair and the skin. Before we use wood lamp, we have to dark the room completely in dermal illumination. The wood lamp is safe to use and does not damage skin and hair. The other method is skin biopsy. Clinical examination. In this, journal examination and skin examination performed. Blood test. The thyroid function test, CBC test, and antibody test is performed. Treatment of vitiligo. Phototherapy, surgery, diet and supplementary, and drugs. There are two types: synthetic drug and natural drug. Phototherapy treatment of vitiligo. The range between 320 to 400 nanometer is more effective in a treatment of vitiligo. The topical corticosteroids and calcium inhibitor are good training in various forms of vitiligo. Surgery are to be performed: skin grafting and micropigmentation. Drug to be used for treatment of vitiligo. There are various synthetic drugs are to be used for treatment of vitiligo. Ruxolitinib drug is a FDA approved drug, and this is JKA inhibitor cream is to be applied directly on the affected area. It's approved for people 4 and older with non-segmental vitiligo only. Topical corticosteroids are slow progression of vitiligo treatment. Advantages: slow and stop the disease progression, encourage the growth of melanocytes. Disadvantages: burning of patches, stretch mark, increase the chances of skin cancer, social and psychological stress. Natural drugs for treatment of vitiligo. Natural herbs and plants offer the best treatment for the vitiligo and correct the underlying cause of illness and provide long term of relief. There are various natural drugs are used to be in vitiligo: Bakuchi, Manjista and Neem. Bakuchi is the most used Ayurvedic drug for reducing the vitiligo. Manjista: the patient who are anxious for the vitiligo and looking for permanent cure then use the Manjista for treatment. Bakuchi oil is commonly known as Babji in the traditional medicine is a plant native to India and some parts of India. Scientific name Solicaulifloria. Common name Bakuchi and Babji. Family Fabaceae. Other name Colin Colifodia. Morphological and climate soil given here. There are two methods: oil extraction, infused oil. Ingredients and material needed: fresh or dried bakuchi seeds, carrier oil, sesame oil, coconut oil or mustard oil, jar or container. Procedure: we have to in first step we have to clean the seeds and dry naturally, and second step, grind the seeds with mortar and pistils to increase the surface area and enhance the extraction process. In third step, we have to prepare the glass jar with bakuchi seeds and about to half full. Pour the carrier oil over the seeds and until they were fully submerged and let them infused for period. The oil will have to absorb the medicinal properties of the bakuchi oil. Strain the oil and store the extract and apply a small amount of bakuchi oil to the vitiligo affected area, typically once the twice. The oil may help promote the pigmentation and reduce the depigmentation over the time. And we have to store the oil in a clean and dark place, glass bottle. Alcohol tincture extraction for internal and topical use. In this method, we have to change the carrier oil, sesame to ethanol or vodka. We have to store this in a dark glass bottle or a jar. The all process is same and apply by the recommendation of healthcare provider. Therapeutic uses of Bakuchi oil. Bakuchi has various therapeutic benefits: anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties, acne treatment also. Conclusion: vitiligo is a chronic condition characterized by the loss of the pigmentation by resulting the white patches on the skin. We can restore the skin color by drug and other way of treatment. Bakuchi seeds helps in the treatment of vitiligo. There is no permanent cure of vitiligo. There are references in this here. Thank you.